Do you want to know how to create digital printable Christmas cards? Then watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, this is Sanchari. Welcome to Exodus Galaxy. If you're watching this video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Then you will be notified each time I upload a new video. In my last video, I already told you how to use Canva or the basic tutorial of Canva. Today, we are going to make a poster which you can also print using Canva. Since today is Christmas, so let's make a Christmas poster. For that, we need to open Canva and choose the size poster. Then we are going to change the background color of the post to black and then add elements. So let's first search snow. This corner design is beautiful and I will use it. We need to flip the element to fit all the corners. Then let's search Christmas tree. These are not so catchy, so let's go to the featured ones. Here also these are not too good. It's better if I go to my recently added elements. And this one is quite beautiful. Let's place it in the right. Now we are going to select a text. I already copied a text, so I pasted it. Now, I will change the size of the text and then font. I like this font. It's like Old English font. Just make the text more presentable as it will catch the main attraction. Then I will add a subheading and write Merry Christmas. And choose the font Great Vibes. and enlarge the size of the text. And now again we are going to add element, otherwise it looks so empty. This line is good. Now change the size and color of the element. Then add another element and you can adjust the color of the element as your wish. And now it's ready to download. Let's check it now. And always download in JPG unless you want to print it. Still, it's not fully okay. Let's add more element to make it more beautiful. You can add pictures also. I have only used elements. And now download it. Completely done. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please put a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. New video will be uploaded every week. Till then, stay safe and healthy. And Merry Christmas!